S&P continues to dance with its range, teasing both the bulls and the bears alike. The S&P futures are suggesting a nice rising range, which is a little bit clear to see on the futures compared to the cash, and the move could take us just a little bit lower towards the lower range boundary. Let's take a look at the charts. So the S&P cash, again, it remains stuck in this prior trading range here. We are just bumping up against that upper boundary, not really making a convincing breakout, although we are making those new all-time highs. I'd like to see a solid push out, retracement, and then the continuation, the classic breakout move, and we're just not seeing it there yet. Again, what is easier to see if we take a look at the futures is this rising range, which I've already got marked off there. This was one of the things that we speculated on developing with the cash quite early on, but it just doesn't seem to have unfolded in the same way as it has done on the futures market there. So right now, we're at this upper boundary and anticipating a move towards the lower boundary. Again, it's only 30 or so points away. So again, it could happen intraday, and we see that reaction off that lower boundary. To the cash, though, we can see the prior range is more horizontal resistance. Again, that seems to be the more clearly defined boundary. So again, we're at this upper boundary. A move down to the lower boundary, again, does seem the most likely thing for me. And just waiting for price to ultimately get there. So we may see some short-term bearish movements, but I'm not ultimately holding my breath for a big bearish movement. That's kind of been the theme for the last several weeks, where we've seen very short-lived bearish movements. So my overall bias remains bullish. In a bullish market, in a bullish environment, in a typically bullish cyclical seasonal season. We're coming into the year end. Again, we've got the Santa rally. That's the next thing that you're going to hear the talking heads losing their mind over. It happens every year. Get over it. Anyway, it's bullish at the range lows, breakout to the range highs. I will assess for bearish movements, but again, they will be short-lived for me. So just being patient and waiting for that next clear setup, looking for my usual pulse bars. If you like what you heard today and want to learn a proven system for profiting in this or any markets, then click the link next to this video and you'll be taken to a free training that I recently held that outlines one of my favorite money-making patterns. So click the link next to the video and I'll see you over there.